welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see is this video is going to be a wing liner tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my wing liner and tips and tricks for you guys. So I hope you guys like this video and let's get started. So I know some of you guys have been asking me how to do a wing liner, and today's video is going to be me showing you how to do a wing liner. And what we're going to use today is I'm going to go ahead and use a liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Wetnwild Megaliner, and this one has a felt tip and it looks like that. And you can use whatever eyeliner you want. You can use a liquid liner, you can use a gel liner, or you can even use a powder. It's totally up to you. It's whatever you feel more comfortable with. So what you want to do when you're starting your liner is you mainly want to focus towards the end of your lash line all the way to the end of your brow. That's going to be your guide. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and start my wing, and I'm going to go in towards the end of my lower lash line and create a line. See how I just created that line right there? And then I'm going to go ahead and bring it in towards my inner corner and make a line straight on your lower lash line, and bring it all the way. And then you're gonna go from your line that you created, your guide, but you don't want to go too far up. You're gonna bring it downwards and drag it down. So almost like you're creating a triangle. So you're gonna bring it downwards and connect it with the line that you created on your lash line. And then you're gonna go ahead and fill it in. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in more. And I'm just doing very light strokes. That way you don't mess up your wing. And then from there, I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. And once I get towards the end, I'm gonna apply a very light pressure towards it. That way it can create a sharp line. And you want to take your time with your wing. And then pull it in. And if you see that you have little dashes on your lash, you can just go ahead and push the eyeliner on your lash. That way you can fill in the gaps that you have. And then whatever gaps you have, go ahead and fill them in. And you should have your wing. So you just created your wing. And I like my wing sharp and very long. But for this video, I'm not gonna go ahead and make it long for the sake of this video. And if you feel like you're happy with your wing liner, that is it. We are done making this wing liner. Psych. So I'm actually gonna go a little bit more thicker on my wing. I'm gonna make it more thicker for you guys. when I was applying my mascara, for some reason I made my wing thicker and longer. And that's how your wing should look like once it's complete. So I just made it thicker. It's totally your guys' preference on how thick or how thin you guys want it. It's totally up to you. There's times where I want mine super thin, or there's times where I don't want a wing, I just want a line on my lash line. Or there's times where I want it thick like how I have it right now. It's totally up to you guys. You guys can build it up as much as you guys want. It depends on what look you guys are going for. But yeah, this is the final look. And this is how the wing came out today. Super sharp and thick. How I like it. So that completes the video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys tried creating a wing for your guys' first time, or if you're a pro makeup artist, it doesn't matter. This is anybody who struggles to do a wing. And that's my tip for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.